Oh, no way. Ooh, Insta-worthy selfies. Excuse my nails, I need to get them done. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna ignore my hands, even if like no matter what they're doing, we're just gonna ignore them. First of all, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and thank you so much for coming onto my YouTube channel. Before I get started, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and again, thank you so much for being here. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amrit and today we are going to be unboxing the Boxycharm. I've been hearing about this anywhere and everywhere on Instagram. It is a subscription box that you pay monthly subscription for, or you pay for 3 months, or you pay for the 6-month one, or you pay for a whole year, and you get these subscription boxes come to your door every single month. I saw so many ads just popping up about the Boxycharm on my Instagram and I was like, yo, this sounds like something I'd want to try. I've been wanting something that I can subscribe to that would be delivered to my house monthly, every single month, a gift to myself. And I thought I'd try this to see what this includes, what it has, if it's worth the money and all of that stuff. And I'm going to share all that with you and let you know if it is worth it or if it's not worth it. So let's just get right into it, shall we? So to start off, I am going to talk about the packaging and show you guys what the box looks like. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! It is a black box with white Boxycharm written on it, and I love the idea of that just because I love simple packaging. To be honest with you guys, when I saw it on the website, I was hoping that the box would be a lot bigger, at least like a shoe size box. But we're gonna see what they sent us and I'm super excited to open it. But before we do that, I just want to let you guys know about the pricing. I am going to tell you guys based on the Canadian pricing because US, it is $25 per month for monthly subscription, which is the one that I did. But turned out to be $40.99 Canadian. So I paid 40 bucks for this box. I think that's okay, but I don't think that's okay at the same time. We're just gonna hope that the product inside are worth the price. So when I subscribed to this box, they did ask me a bunch of questions about the brands that I like, the products that I use. They have like displays of all these products and they ask you what products you would like to receive over other products. For example, for myself, I don't wear much of eye makeup, so I didn't choose anything to do with like eyeshadows and stuff. I do want to see if they sent me products according to what I wanted, or if they have like the same box that's sent out to everybody. Another thing they claim is that there is going to be 5 full-size products in here along with whatever else that they might just throw in here. So we're gonna just jump right into opening this box and seeing what is inside. So we're gonna open the box. Like I said, ignore the nails. Ta-da! Oh! So it's pink from the inside, it says Boxycharm right there, and they have like their hashtag and they have their Instagram handle right there. And then right here it says, "Hello Charmer," which is really cute. This is the first thing that's on top. It says Boxycharm and it says glam vibes only, and it has, I'm thinking what this is the detail of all the products that are inside in here. So we're just gonna pick the first thing I see and talk about that. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is masks, face masks, and there's 3 of them in this one pack, and they do say that they are vegan, which is really cool. They have one face mask in here, and then they have a lip mask, looks like that, and then they have a eye mask. It does claim to calm, hydrate, tighten, and glow your skin. So we are going to try this out in probably one of my weekly vlogs. So make sure you check that out as well. I will try it out this week and let you guys know. These masks are designed to deliver total skin satisfaction and Insta-worthy selfies. We love that. The market price for this is $18 for the free. So moving on to thing number 2. Ooh, what do I want to open first? Second thing in here is a blush and bronzer trio. I love these things. Okay, so it is a Phase Zero blush and bronzer trio. I feel like it's my birthday right now. It's freaking Christmas up in here. This is so cool. Okay, you guys, for the reason of opening gifts every month, I might just actually like keep subscribed to this. But I'm going to open this up for you guys so you can see the actual product, which I'm so excited. Oh my god! Okay, you guys, honestly, I love the packaging. Okay, so we're gonna open this up and see what it looks like from the inside. Ooh. Hey, okay, so there's a mirror up top, and we've got 3 different colors. You guys, this literally came at the perfect time because I was doing my makeup today. I'm like, oh my god, I need to buy more blush, I need to buy bronzer. So a lot of things are running out, so this is perfect and perfect timing. The Phase Zero makeup blusher and bronzer trio are supposed to be $42, and this is an all-in product, ideal for a fresh and bright complexion all day, that includes the best-selling bronzer, multi-brush, and matte blush in a compact box. That is beautiful. I love that. That is perfect. We're gonna move on to thing number 3, and ooh, this is so exciting. Okay, we're gonna see what this is. Oh, no way! This is a Pharmacy Cheer Up eye cream. Okay, so it does say a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles, delivers instant radiance to the eye, clean and fragrance-free formula. You guys, I love eye creams because I have like okay, I don't know if you can tell, you can probably tell, but like I have like fine lines under my eyes, and like I really just want to try a bunch of creams and see which one is the best one. This is really exciting because I need all the eye creams in the whole entire world. So this eye cream is supposed to be for $45. Next product looks really cool. It's very, very colorful. I don't know about this product, to be honest. Like outside this Boxycharm, I haven't heard about this. It's called the Hip Dot, and I am guessing that it has something to do with eyeshadow. You guys, the packaging is beautiful. Like there's this, and like I don't know if you can tell, but that's like metallic. There's some words that like come out, that pop out, and that is so cool to me. This to die for. Okay, that's what that looks like before I open it, and they have the exact same thing done to the back. The wording just doesn't pop out as much, but like almost the same thing done to the back. So we're going to open it. Okay, so that's what that looks like. That's all the colors that it has in it. Take your look to the next level with the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, folate-free, and mineral oil-free. All those things. So this palette is free of a lot of things. I don't even know what half of these mean, but it's vegan. That's the only thing I understood from here. Okay, so the palette sells for $30. Everything is really cool about this. The only thing I do want to say is that I was so sure that I did not want any eyeshadow, and I did put in my little quiz that I did not want any eyeshadows and any other products would be perfectly fine. And the fact that I got an eyeshadow palette, I'm not complaining. Beautiful packaging, everything is perfect, but for the purpose of me spending that money to get exactly what I wanted, this is something extra, so I just want to put that out there. So the next thing is one of my favorite things in the world, and it is a full-size mascara. Okay, so first of all, packaging, do I like it? Love the colors, everything is super cool. All the information is outside. Got the before and after right there. That one is the Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara Black. We love bold. So that is the last product in here. Is there anything else? No, there isn't. And that mascara sells for $24. So that's all the products in this box. And honestly, if I give like my overall review, I am not disappointed. I'm not disappointed at all. Mascaras, we love. Blushes and nice packaging, we love. Face masks, lip masks, eye masks, all sort of masks, we love. And then we've got the eye cream, and I'm not complaining because I can always use the eye cream. Everything in this box was perfect. Other than this, I love the packaging, everything is super great, but it is not something I use. But yeah, this was it. This was everything in the box and all the pricing, everything it claims to do. So final question is, would I keep the subscription with Boxycharm or not? And I think that because the products are full size and everything is so beautiful and I had so much fun just opening it, I think it's totally worth my $40. So knowing that makeup is so expensive, I think this was pretty fair for $40. And if you're in America and you're watching this, you guys literally have the best deal because all of this is literally only $25, and I would definitely order this again. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I really appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.